Hi everyone, and welcome to my channel. So this week I'll be showing you how to make this really beautiful floral backdrop. It's so easy to make and it would be absolutely perfect for a bridal shower or a baby shower or something like that. Kristen and I actually made this one as a baby shower gift for her sister. Anyway, really quickly before we get started, I just wanted to say that if you like this video and want to see more from me, please subscribe to my channel. That'd be super amazing and I'd be really grateful. And yeah, without further ado, let's get into the video. So for this project, you'll need scissors, a hot glue gun, zip ties, a curtain rod, an assortment of artificial flowers, some LED string lights, and tulle. You're definitely going to need more tulle than this though. Kristen and I actually had to go to the craft store in the middle of this project and grab like 4 more rolls. The first thing you're going to do is zip tie your LED string lights onto your curtain rod. Next, you're going to cut your tulle into strips. You want to cut them so that they're a little over 2 times longer than you want them to be. And then you're just going to fold them in half and loop them around the curtain rod like so. Once you've done that, you're going to trim the stems of your artificial flowers and lay them out along your curtain rod so you know where you want them to be placed. Now you're going to zip tie your flowers on your curtain rod. I would suggest zip tying larger flowers on by themselves and smaller ones on in groups of 2 or 3. Also, feel free to use your hot glue gun here. Kristen and I just didn't need ours, but if it makes your life easier, go for it. My only suggestion would be to use it if you want to glue flowers onto other flowers. I wouldn't use it to glue flowers onto the curtain rod. I don't think that would work too well. And once your glue is dried, you're ready to hang up your backdrop. Hooray! I told you it was super easy. I think this piece is so pretty and I can't wait for Kristen to give it to her sister. I think she's gonna love it. It's gonna be perfect to use at her baby shower and then hang on the nursery wall. As a side note, I'm really sorry I don't have a clip showing the whole piece. I couldn't get far enough away from it and I didn't want to mount it on my wall because I'm not keeping it. I'll insert a few pictures here though, but just know that some of them were taken on a cell phone, so they're not the best. Anyway, I hope you guys liked the video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more from me, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!